Day 4. We're gonna sleep from Sandy Slope. I don't know where our next stop is gonna be, but I know there's gonna be some mountain climbing to come. That side. Correct?
Yep.
I think this is the boulders. The boulder section. It's not easy to walk over these rocks. I see. Hoe is het hulle?
Kan jullie in ook kry as jy klaar is? Moet jy net naby gaan dat hulle weghardloop het.
Ek dink die pad het kom. Ja.
Ek kom in iewers.
Op vastbyt ben. Moet jy maar vastbyt jong.
Hy is so baie gedog het, hè?
Ja.
Maar bietjie moeg die bene nou dag 4. Maar nie te baie nie.
Weer rest by die shade.
Daar heb ik die botten te gaan afgaan. Ja, ik zei, bij mannen wat voor die desert blij is, dat ik dat wat op een...
No met. Rivier Canyon. Approaching that groot boomtuin. Oh, what that's all about. Find out what you are taking the first shortcut. Guys are too afraid to climb this mountain because they are down there somewhere. All right, here we go. Oh yes, this is the shortcut at groot bome. It's definitely a shortcut. Guys are about a kilometer behind. I'm waiting for them here on the summit of the shortcut. And they're leaving me here in the sun. It's like 30 degrees. It's a typical summer day in Cape Town without any wind. I imagine hiking Platteklip Gorge on a summer's day. That's about the vibe here. Just taking a wee break. Hectic. The only tree on the plane here. Anyway, 50k mark ahead. There's the 50k mark. Almost home. Almost at our next campsite, Barber Pool. Any further than this, there's some arrow markings on the wall here. Here you can see. So there's no route around here. The route goes through the mountain. For us, this terrain is waiting for us.
In die schaduw van die bergen zoek ik naar een plek om te blijven. Elke stap is vol van strijden. Elke dag voor zo'n reis. Die berg is hoog en die pijn is erg, maar ik zal klauwen, ik zal blijven sterk. Of val ik neer, ik zal weer staan. Ik doe me hoog, ik zal weer winnen. Onder de jaren in die koue nacht. Hoor ek die wind, hy fluister sacht. Gee nie op nie, bly jou pad. Die son sal weer skyn oor jou hart. Ek voel die krag binne in my, soos 'n vuur wat nooit verdwyn. Met elke tree, met elke slag, sal ek sterker wees, ek sal nooit wag. Die berg is hoog, die pyn is erg, maar ek sal trots, sal bly sterk. Al val ek neer, ek sal weer staan. Met my woorde, ek sal nie beef. Pad is lang, die stryd is zwaar, maar ek sien die lucht, is nie meer vaar. Met moed en hoop, sal ek oorleef. Die berg oorwin, ek sal nie beef.
Right there at the campsite. Campsite is what's it called? Okay. Babel Pools or Barbell Pools. 1L. Got here 3:15. So it was a long trek from sandy slopes. So yeah, this is the Babel Pools. Looks great, fantastic, nice pools to swim in, as you can see. Anyway, some scrambled eggs and bread for supper. Oh, not for supper, wait, this is just a snack. Coming back to supper later. Last night I had the beef moussaka, hungry hiker. Delicious, damn it. No, I must give heads up to this woman. She's fantastic in the cooking. Anyway, this is like 15 minutes after I had that eggs. I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna slat my supper. Wait, more than supper, I'm gonna have this butter chicken curry, and I had 2 eggs. Still hungry. I might have to make myself noodles as a filler, and then who knows, I might have to dig into something else also. Anyway, see ya.